Guangzhou Garbo International Trading Company Limited, Flatware, is one of the professional flatware suppliers in China. Products included of cutlery set, dinner set, stainless steel knife, stainless steel fork, stainless steel spoon, etc. Our factory covered the area of around 2,000 square meters in Jiayang City, Guangdong Province. It was founded in the 1990s and obtains a number of technical invention and product appearance patents with strict management mechanism, advanced production equipment, professional production technology, independent quality management system, experienced production and R&D team. We have passed the social responsibility management system, such as BSCI, SEDEX, SA8000, and quality management system, such as ISO 9001, and environmental management system ISO 14001, etc. The key of our success is that we have an efficient sales team who can offer good before-after sales service, professional and responsible pricing, have a strong designer team to develop different kinds of flatware or OEM style, have a strict QC team to guarantee products with good quality and delivery time, have a big warehouse can help customer to mix different items in one container to test the market. Customer first, service first, quality first. Garbo Flatware is ready for you, anytime and always, making great efforts to achieve the win-win situation.